So innovation gets discussed a lot. It's a phrase that gets knocked around pretty commonly in the world of building products or products for the application in residential or commercial design. But oftentimes you're just seeing a different variation of a theme that you've seen before. What's really interesting and happening here at Muratto is you're seeing this amazing product in the form of cork, which has been around forever, with arguably one of the most amazing sustainability stories, plus one of the most amazing material constituency stories as well. Just the beauty, the feel of it, how it behaves, actually being put into products and used in ways that have never been done before. We all have seen this product and it exists in the market, but actually just having spent time here visiting factories, looking at what's happening, is literally there are applications that don't exist anywhere else. And while that's really cool, and it's wonderful to see this level of development, what's really amazing is just how beautiful these products are. So it's delightful for me to be here. I think the world needs to pay far more attention. Certainly the world of design needs to pay more attention to what's happening here, because this is absolutely worth the time and the effort, and the application is just stunning. What's really cool, I think we all experience this, is when you come across something that you just didn't know about. And at first you say, yeah, that's interesting, that's got my attention. But when you start really diving in, when you start really seeing not just the product, just the brand, but you start meeting the people and see how things are done and see what's possible, it's literally amazing to feel that and experience that, as we all know. That's happened to me. It was just a few months ago that I wound up being introduced to the folks at Muratto, started playing with the product, started looking at what they're doing, so much so that I said, look, I've got to come back. So I did, and I came back here for a second time, and I've just been a kid in a candy shop. This is crazy. This is beautiful product. These are applications that I've never seen before. And not only is it beautiful, but the practicality of it is amazing. But for me, in the world that I work in so much, the sustainability story of this is bonkers. You have a product, a tree, right? This is arguably the best carbon story that is out there. You have a tree that lasts for between 400 and 700 years. You have a cycle of removing the bark from the tree, which only makes the tree stronger. It is a 100% material use of what's extracted from the tree. That tree is sequestering carbon throughout its entire process. Then you're taking that product and you're not altering it, you're just putting some additives to allow it to hold together, and then putting it into these incredible applications that in the world of design and architecture haven't been seen before. And then finally, from an end of life standpoint, you can bring it completely back and reuse it at 100%. This is insane, and insane in the best possible way. It's really cool hanging out with the people at Muratto. I have not been this excited about a product since I don't know when, and I'm really excited to have been able to spend time with this brand.